The birds, the trees, the freeway roar, the morning walk I take too early, not too much smoke in air when I was rising, but website checks show as day goes on there will be more. I love the branches of the local oaks. I love the steps that I can take to spring my life ahead. Even if the sky and pollution ratings turn to orange, I think today, luckily not into red. The sky sports a vaguely pinkish, grayish haze. It's gone on so long, I know not any longer to be amazed. But I set my feet into motion in the face of problems large beyond me, like pollution, to which I myself cannot pull out a complete solution, not even for myself. So I just do what I can and seize the pleasures I can grab and smile and speak and sometimes sing and laugh. And hope that somehow this day and my whole life will amount to something more than even the most wiggly, cursive, unexpected, interesting graph. This has been Elaine Danforth with my improv poem on video for the day. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you soon in another video. Bye for now.